advice? Okay. If you don't already feel this way, start thinking about what I've been talking about, your personal Jewishness. That you don't push it in people's faces. There's no reason to. But if somebody tries to make less of you than you are because of your Jewishness, back up, respond. That's when you are being pushed. And when you're being pushed, push back. Now, I don't want somebody who happens to see this go out and punch somebody in the nose, even if brought to it. Use your judgment too, but yours is a prideful origin and a prideful history. And so you can be proud of that, inwardly proud of that. You don't have to push other people around or make a big tzimis out of it. But you will defend it if you are pushed. I don't know if that's different from what anyone else would say.